Hello, how's everyone doing? My name is jwjacquet and welcome to the channel. And if this is your first time here, definitely give me a thumbs up, help me to destroy the like button, and welcome, like I said. And I am in the real estate, insurance, and finance industry. And thank you for being here with me. I definitely appreciate you. Don't forget to subscribe if this is your first time here, and help me share this out with your friends, your family members, whether it's on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or wherever that it might be. I definitely appreciate you. And if you are returning to watch this video, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for continuously to watch. Thanks to those folks that are watching and have not yet subscribed. I know there's some folks out there that definitely are watching the videos, just not subscribed, or don't know how to subscribe, because that's something that some folks have been telling me. They're watching the videos, but they really don't know how to subscribe. So that's something that I'll be making for you guys, to show you guys how to subscribe to this video. So not just to the video, I apologize, to the channel. So guys, here's the thing. I want to talk to you guys today about ways to diversify your portfolio. There's many ways into diversifying a portfolio, and there's a lot of things that you could look into and that take into consideration on how to properly diversify a portfolio. So I want to take you guys into that, and just to go over some of the things that you could do to help to save and diversify your portfolio to get a bigger return on whatever that you are doing throughout life. That's one of the things that I want to share with you guys. And like I said, I am in the real estate, insurance, and finance industry, meaning that I deal with many different things. I deal with real estate as an investment or personal real estate, and I also deal with helping folks to prepare for their retirements and things like that. As far as that nature, I deal with life insurance, income protection. There's so many different things I deal with. Guys, don't forget, this channel is up for membership. If you feel that you want to help participate, you want to contribute to this channel, definitely join the membership. It'll definitely be a big plus. All right, so I don't want to hold you guys too long. Why don't I take you guys to some of the things that I deal with, and then I'm going to take you to how you could diversify your portfolio. Guys, and so here we are. And as I mentioned, I am in the real estate, insurance, and finance industry. And this is how to get hold of me. I will put the link down below for you guys. Without any questions, anything that I'm doing here, there'll be a link down below. So if you ever have any questions, or if you want to buy your first home, if you needed my assistance as far as investing into real estate, definitely let me know. Without any complication, I'll be more than happy to help you. I'll be more than happy to assist you with regards to whatever you're trying to do, your dream, your goal into real estate. That's definitely not a problem. Or if you ever have any questions with regards to insurance and finance or anything like that, like I mentioned, that's what I deal with. This link will also be down below, so that I'll be able to assist you guys without any complication. I'll be more than happy to work with any one of you guys. If there's any questions with regards to life insurance, income protectors, whatever that it may be, annuities, whatever that comes across your mind, your retirement or whatever that you may have, I'll be more than happy to answer some of those questions for you. And if you ever wanted to reach out to me, definitely do so. Like I said, I'll be more than happy to work with you, or anyone that may have a question, or if you know anyone that may have a questions, I'll be more than happy to work with them. All right. So guys, as you guys can see, I just took you guys to my websites and some of the things that I deal with, some of the things that I do, and how I help folks, and how I deal with folks, and how I assist folks into my day-to-day basis, into my daily living. And so that's some of the things that I do. And like I said, this channel is up for membership. If you feel that you want to contribute to this channel, you want to help this channel to move forward, you want to help this channel to grow, definitely help me share this video out, and do join a membership. There's memberships available. As I mentioned, I'll show you guys how to get to the membership. And like I said, just watch the video to the end, and I'm about to show you guys the ways on how to properly diversify into getting a better returns, on how to get the best for your buck. All right, so stay tuned. Like I said, guys, definitely watch the whole video so you guys can get the full ins and outs of things. So guys, I don't want to delay this any further or any longer. So why don't I jump into exactly what I said I was bringing to you guys, which is ways to diversify your portfolio, and let's get into that. All right, guys. Now we are here, which is 5 steps for diversifying your portfolio, entering into risk management. And like I said, guys, this channel is open for membership. If you feel the need to help this channel grow, to help this channel move forward, if you like the information and you feel that your way into participating with this channel is to become a member, there's membership available for those of you guys that wants to be a member into this channel. Definitely appreciate it. And like I said, if this is your first time here, definitely subscribe, and don't forget to help me destroy that like button. Okay. So guys, why don't we get into the five tips on how the 5 tips for diversifying your portfolio, entering into risk management, which is something that's extremely important. And I believe it's something that everyone should have an understanding about. Okay. Before going any further, if there's anyone that already knows this information, that's great. Watch out for the next video so we can get more and more in depth into things. But if you haven't already know this information, perfect. This is a great time to learn this information. This is a great time to know about it. Why don't we start with what is diversification? All right, guys. Diversification, really, I'm gonna read this thing to you guys, and then I'm gonna go in depth a little bit about exactly what is diversification. So, diversification is management strategies that blend different investment in a single portfolio. The idea behind diversification is that a variety of investments will yield a higher return. Also suggests that investors will face lower risk by investing into different vehicles. So what does that mean? This is what all that I just read really says. All it really is just diversification is a way of not putting all your eggs into one basket, or even if it's in one basket but there's many different avenues into that basket. So if something goes wrong, that you're not losing all of your things, and or you're not losing everything at once. The other thing is to also minimize risk. Risk meaning that your risk of losing what you have, to minimize that, so you could get, so you can have a chance of getting a better return, a higher return. And so, you know what I mean? That when you're looking at things, when one's doing bad, the other's doing good, the other one might be doing great. So that's exactly what that it really says. That's exactly what it means, just for some folks that doesn't understand exactly what all that word or all these different meanings and things means. That's exactly what it means. Okay. So if there's any complication, like I said, definitely let me know. So apart from diversification, now here's another part that we also need to focus on and learn. Okay, which is learn, practice, discipline, investing. Because a lot of folks, that's some folks. I mean, I say a lot of folks. Some folks invest in more of an amateur way. They haven't learned the principles and the in-depth discipline on what it takes to properly invest, which is why sometimes they find themselves and losing their money. Like for an example, someone purchased a life insurance policy, and before the policy could mature, they cancel it. They purchase annuity before it could mature. They break the contract. So therefore, you're losing money. When you're losing money, that's what it means to practice discipline investing. You know what I mean? And practice it as this is, there's discipline into this. So why don't I read this little portion for you guys so you guys could get a little bit more and in depth into what I'm trying to say and what I am saying to you guys. And if this is not clear enough, please comment down below. Definitely comment down below, so you guys will definitely, I will respond, so you guys, so we could be engaged, and so you could get a better understanding if there's something that you're not understanding. All right. Remember that investing is an art form, not a knee-jerk reaction. Meaning that it's not something that a spur of a moment that your knee just jerked and all of a sudden then you felt something change. No, that's not what it is. It's a form of an art. It takes time for artists to paint things. It takes time for a martial artist to develop its skills. It takes time for into perfection into art. So that's what they're saying. Investing is the same way. It takes time and discipline to actually learn it. All right, guys. So, which I know this is easy for you guys. You guys are following me, great. So, thank you guys. So, like I said, it takes time. The time to practice discipline, the time to practice discipline investing with diversification portfolio is before diversification become a necessity. So, this is what that really means, guys. Meaning that don't wait to when you're trying to actually invest in yourself and practicing diversification, and that's when you're trying to practice it. No, it's not going to go well. It's not going to go well for you, because guess what, you are testing it out, and that's not the time to test things out. There's times that to test things out. There's times that you need to know exactly what's involved, the ins and outs into something prior to actually getting it getting it down and say, okay, you know what, I know the routes, I know the ways. So that's exactly what that means. Okay. It's nothing is just a knee-jerk reaction when it comes to that. So guys, let's go over the 5 tips on let's go over the 5 tips to help you with diversification. Let's go over how this will help you and what will be involved and how this could benefit you. Okay, because watch this video till the end, and like I said, if this is your first time here, help me destroy the like button and definitely subscribe so you can continuously get new updates. This channel is open for membership, and definitely if you feel like you want to help this channel out and you want to help it to grow, subscribe to one of the membership, and I'll definitely appreciate it. And thank you. There's a lot of cool things that comes along with that. There's a lot of things that's just for members that you'll be able to get. So there's a lot of cool things that comes along with the membership. It's not just to help this channel to just move forward. There's a lot of cool stuff that actually comes with that, and I definitely appreciate you guys. So guys, the one thing is spread the wealth. So when I say spread the wealth, what do I exactly mean when I say spread the wealth? Meaning that stock is not the only thing to consider when it comes to building wealth, when it comes to spreading wealth. A lot of folks, when we're talking about diversification, automatically they're gonna start thinking about stocks and bonds, and that's not the only way to build a portfolio, a well-rounded built portfolio. Yes, that's part of it, but that's not the only way. You can also invest into things like annuities. Annuities is a form of, there's variable, there's fixed annuities, but you know what I'm saying? You can invest into things like annuities. You could invest into things like real estate investments, different types of life insurance to help you spread, the risk around, which is a good way. It's a well-rounded way because think of it, when you invest in these things, the risk of losing is very minimal. It's very minimal, and there's big rewards at the end of that. At the end of that road, there's major rewards when you invest into things like life insurance, real estate, annuities. There's many benefits of great rewards that comes with that. And like I said, the risk is extremely minimal when it comes to those kind of things, which is why they are perfect when it comes to spreading the wealth. So here's another thing. Consider fixed annuities. As I mentioned before, annuities is one of those things that you wanna definitely keep into your portfolio. So fixed annuities, what does that actually mean? So fixed annuities meaning that you're getting a fixed income. There's not much fluctuation that's going on. There's always going to be risk, but the risk is very minimal. You see what I'm saying? So that's the reason why I'm saying these things work, and they have been proven to work. If there's any questions, definitely contact me so I could explain a little bit more. You know what I mean? There's nothing wrong with contacting me to get some more information. So by adding, fixed income solutions, you are further hedging your portfolio against market volatility. Just as I was saying before, you're hedging against volatility in the market and the uncertainties. You don't want something that not that I'm saying you don't want it, because you don't want to just have all volatilities of all unsecure. You need some kind of fixed asset, knowing that this is fixed, and you know what you're gonna get, no matter what you know exactly what you are going to get, and there's very minimal risk. You see what I'm saying? That's the reason why fixed annuity is a great vehicle into your portfolio. It's a perfect vehicle into that. These funds often comes with low fees. They comes with low fees, which is another bonus. So that's something that is extremely, extremely good. good. Something that doesn't have a lot of fees, and you know exactly what you're gonna get, and no matter what's going on, you know exactly what it is. There's very little risk. All right, guys. So keep building your portfolio. So that's one of the things, keep building. Some folks, let me tell you, they'll start a portfolio and then they'll say, you know what, I'm fine. I know what's in there. I know what's going on. No, keep building it. Why not keep building it? Keep revisiting it. Keep, adding onto it, which is where this comes in. If you have $10,000 to invest, use dollar cost averaging. So meaning that as times goes along, it's going to take into time of inflation and market volatility so that it could keep reinvesting for you. Don't just say, I know what's in there, and I'm not worried about anything else. The idea of the strategy is to cut down investment risk. Yes. So you don't want to expose yourself to so much risk. You know what I mean? You want to minimize that. So, which is why you keep on revisiting that. You keep on, adding onto it. You keep building it. You keep on building it so that you know exactly what's going on with these things. So don't just say, I know what's in there. Just keep revisiting it and keep adding onto it. Keep rebuilding it. That's how it's going to get stronger and stronger, and also going to give you the opportunity to do a whole lot more different things. All right. So that's what's going on with that. Don't just say, oh, I know what this is and I don't need to revisit it. That's something that you don't want to do. Know when to get out. You need to know when to get out. When is the time for me to get out? Buying and holding and dollar cost averaging are strategies of, that tells you these things. When am I getting in? When am I getting out? How much am I reinvesting, and what's going on? What's happening? And am I gonna keep on building? And I keep on building. So is this a good time to stay in? Is this a good time to get out? These are questions that these are things and questions that you need to know. Which is why I'm telling you to give me a call. So definitely give me a call so that I'll be more than happy to answer questions for you. I'll be more than happy to work with you. Definitely give me a call. All right. Don't just leave things on autopilot and then for things for you to not know what's going on. Stay current with what's going on with the overall market condition. Know what's happening. Glance at the news to see what's really happening around the world, to see what's really going on in your sector, to know what's going on with what you have. Because these things will affect certain things that's happening and certain things that is going on. So keep a watchful eye on commission. So meaning that, remember, the cheapest thing is not always the best thing. No, a lot of folks will say, well, this cost me less. I want to go with that. You don't want to just do that when it comes to building a portfolio. When it comes to diversifying, you don't want to just go with the cheapest thing. The cheapest thing could hurt you, and you don't want to get yourself hurt. Keep yourself updated with what's going on, with changes, with what's happening. Keep eyes on the fees. Keep eyes on things of what you're doing. Keep eyes on how much is being charged. These are things that you need to understand, and you need to see. You need to know what's going on. All right. So like I said, if this is your first time here, definitely subscribe to the channel. Destroy the like button. Help me share this out to your friends, your family members. Whether it's on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on LinkedIn, wherever that you may have, your group of friends, your group of family, because I too want them to understand these things if they have not yet understand this. I want everybody to understand this. I want everybody to have the same knowledge that I have. So which will make it easier for me. So when I'm talking to you guys, it'll be so much easier. All right. And if this is, like I said, if this is information that you already know, no problem. There's more advanced videos that's coming. Then you'll be able to relate and say, oh my God, yes, this is good, this is great. And like I said, stay tuned, watch the whole video. All right. Don't just say, I'm gonna skip this. This is not for me. You never know. Somebody might be able to use this. All right. So guys, the bottom line to this is investing can and should be fun. You don't want to invest when it feels like, oh my God, it's hard labor or a broken back. No, it should be fun. It's something that you should be enjoying. You know what I mean? It should be educational, informational, and rewarding. The rewarding part is looking at, oh my God, this is what I've created for myself. This is what I did. You know what I mean? This is something that should get you pumped, should get you going. As you guys can see, I'm pumped. When I'm talking about these things, as you guys can see, I'm very pumped, right? So take a disciplined approach and using diversification. Buying, holding, dollar cost averaging strategies. You may find investing rewarding even in the worst time. Even at the worst time, you'll find it rewarding. So, guys, listen, this should be fun. There's no reason why, investing should be one of those boring moments. No, 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 no. Let's make this fun. I want this to be fun. I want you guys to look at investing as fun. When you're looking at this, I want you to look at your diversification as this is fun. This is great. This is awesome. Right. So, guys, like I said, don't forget there is definitely membership that for with this channel. If you feel this is something that is you wanna help, you wanna get to know more about, or if this is something that you feel you want to help this channel to move forward, or if you feel this is something that definitely beneficial. There's a whole lot more that comes along with membership when it comes to this channel, which you get to enjoy. You get to have a lot of knowledge, and you leave pumped. You know what I mean? You feel like leaving like you just came from the gym. So this is awesome. This is great. And guys, why don't I take you guys to the point where you guys can see the membership, so you guys can see certain things, and you guys can see exactly what's going on. All right. So, guys, this is exactly what it is. Once you come up to the page, as you guys can
Hello
see, all you
everyone,
got to do is type
happy
in
Monday to
right here in the search
you
bar,
guys. Happy Monday. It's a
jwjacquet,
great day.
and then you're
Start
going to
of the
come up to
second
this
day,
page right here.
second
Oops,
week,
give me one
second
second. Let me
second
turn
week.
this off for a second. So, you're going to come right here to this page. All you got to do is type, let me remove that for you, jwjacquet, right in here, press enter, and it's going to bring you to something like so. And what you're going to do right from here is click on this, which you'll see join. And once you click on the join page, it'll bring you to this. Give me one second. Thank you. I just paused that for a second because I wanted to show you guys exactly what this is about. Once you click on this page, this is what you're gonna see. You'll see the join page. This is what's going on here, and you could definitely choose the membership level that you feel that is right for you. And I definitely appreciate it. And like I said, there's a lot that comes with the membership. There's a lot of cool things that you'll be able to do. There's a lot of the cool things that you'll be able to get from the membership. So definitely this is what it looks like how to get to the membership. Now I know there is a few folks that's saying that they don't know how to subscribe, or they don't know how to subscribe to the channel. So why don't I go over that just a brief second as well. So to subscribe to the channel, all you got to do is, let's just say you typed in jwjacquet again, and you come up to here, right? You clicked on it, and if you wasn't subscribed to me, you would see a subscription button. So why don't I do this? Why don't I go
Hello
into
everyone,
YouTube?
happy Monday
This is
to
what
you
we're gonna do.
guys.
Okay, we're
Happy
gonna go
Monday.
right
It's
here
a great day. Start of the
onto
second day, second
why
week,
don't I
starting
go into
second.
home? Let's go into home. So this is what you see, right? This is exactly what you see. And let me see. Clicked onto this,
During this time,
and
I
as you guys can see, this person right here is someone that I'm not subscribed to. All you got to do is hit this red button right here,
and you'll be subscribed to that person. So in that case, all you got to do is hit that red button, that subscription button, and then you'll be subscribed to my channel. And once you subscribe to my channel, you'll get updates every so often whenever I post something, or something new that's coming out, and all these other cool things. All right, guys. So why don't I bring this back into definitely my channel, and I definitely welcome you guys and thank you.
All right, guys. I just showed you guys how to actually join the membership, and thank you guys for watching the video. Now you seeing this. This definitely means that you have watched the video till the end. I definitely appreciate you. Thank you for being here with me. Don't forget to thumbs this up for me if you haven't already done so. And if, like I said, if this is your first time of being here in this channel, definitely subscribe. Don't forget to press on that like button. Help me destroy the like button, and also help me to share this out to your friends, your family members, whether it's on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or wherever that you have, whatever means necessary that you have. Thank you. I definitely appreciate you, and thank you for watching once again. I'll see you guys soon.